Hi, my name is Michael OuYang, and I am the founder and president of No Empty Seats, a 501c3 registered nonprofit dedicated to suicide prevention and mental health awareness. Like many, I've had my own experiences with mental illness, and I realized two major lessons during these depressive months. First, I realized how easy it was to hide. Some days I would go about the motions of my day, and it made me realize if I am hiding it so well, how many other people are going through similar things I'm going through. The second major lesson I learned was how unbelievably relieving it was to speak up and tell a trusted individual I was struggling. With these lessons in mind and in an attempt to take control of my depression and suicidal thoughts, I created the nonprofit and social media page No Empty Seats. It is a mental health safe space that engages in diverse projects all centered around shared struggle, taking a stance that it is okay to not be okay. The flexibility of NES covers all student mental health, where NES student ambassadors can lead by example and inspire other meaningful impact, all with the common goal of normalizing talking about mental health. In the past 2 years, we have done a lot to try to destigmatize mental illness and create more casual conversations. We have received 5,000 social media members across all platforms, 400,000 engagements on our accounts, and 250,000 views on our viral mental health videos on social media, advertising others to get out of their comfort zone and combat college anxiety by way of fun challenges such as dancing flash mobs, stand-up comedy, spontaneous concerts on the main green, and unapologetically singing karaoke in the dining hall. We have inspired over 24 individuals to share their stories on our public platform, and we have collaborated with over 50 college teams, athletes, clubs, and Greek organizations to show their support for mental health. We have hosted and sponsored handfuls of mental health dedicated tournaments and games. We have sold over 5,000 No Empty Seats wristbands and over 500 t-shirts and sweatshirts as a fundraising campaign. We have donated $6,000 to the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention this year, and we managed over $20,000 in 1 year of sales with our incredibly small team. We have been invited to guest speak and discuss college mental health at Upstate Medical School, Union College, and even Brown University lectures here. We've started our own club here at Brown, and I even applied to create, and now I instruct my own class called Addressing Stigma and Creating Conversations Around Mental Health, a seminar dedicated to outreach where students can learn more about what they can do for their respective communities' mental health and themselves. It is very clear that No Empty Seats has established its presence at Brown University, and I've humbly received hundreds of private messages discussing how important it is to have a student-led initiative that integrates public mental health into college culture. I'm excited to hopefully expand this nonprofit and mental health community to other colleges across the country this summer. We plan on hiring students at Brown and various campuses to start NES chapters and work for them to become a center stage of mental health advocacy. We plan on also funding curriculums, focus groups, and workshops around what it means to be a mental health ambassador at a school that empowers others to get out of their comfort zone and be vulnerable and their authentic selves. I am very proud of what No Empty Seats has accomplished in just 2 years. Funding from the B Lab would be integral in No Empty Seats expansion to help other college students around the country feel heard and more welcome with their emotions and mental health.